Hello everyone, like I told you all in my previous video that I will show you how to connect switch. So for that I made a little bit modification. The modification are like adding wires to the battery. So I have taped it here and here. So this is one modification. The another one is using switch. This is a toggle switch, toggle on and off, and I have connected two wires to it. And third one is there another switch. It is not a modification but switch. This is toggle switch. This is tactile switch. Tactile switch work only when we press. So pressing will work. If we release it, it will not work. Means the circuit will be open if we release it. The circuit will be closed if we press it. Okay. Now let's connect the components. First, I will place the load. In our case, this is our LED. Place it properly. Now, after that, I'll be connecting the switch. We always connect the switch to the positive terminal. So the positive one is this. So one terminal here and another terminal here. Okay, our switch is connected. Remember the point are not touching, otherwise it will short circuit or the switch will not work. I already told you the rating of this LED is higher, so I'll not be using that resistor. First on the switch off 0 1. 0 means off, 1 means on. So 0, and this is the positive, and this is the negative. Now I don't need any other hand to hold the battery or anything. Just turn the switch on, it will glow. Okay, I don't need to use my hand. If I use this, off. So this is how we connect the switch. So when I turn this off, means the LED is not glowing. That means the circuit is open. If the load is not using power, then it is open circuit. If the load is using power, then it is called closed circuit. Simply understand this. If the power is flowing, then it is closed circuit. If the power is not flowing, then it is open circuit. So I'll replace the switch with another switch, which is tactile switch. So I'll take it out and I'll connect this. I already told you there is no connection between these two parts. Vertically in this line connection, here connection, but not connected. So I'll place it in between. And in tactile switch, the cross pin are not connected until we press. Okay, but the straight one are connected. Direct straight connected, cross not connected until we press the switch. So press it here. Now I'll connect one pin to this terminal and another pin here, cross. Okay, cross from here to okay. Okay, it is not glowing because I need to press this. Until I press it or release it, until I release it, it will glow. Release off means open, close, open, close. But if I use the straight pin, okay, direct, it will always glow because it is direct connection. The switch will not work. Nothing will happen even I press it. So for this switch to work properly, we need to connect in cross. Okay, if I place it here and this one here, same. So this is tactile switch, this is toggle switch. Thank you for watching.